Sunbeam, come rescue me. A sea moth docked. Big alien structure. The big boy gun. Just been playing Subnautica in my spare time. The bird. Hey bird, want some seed? Yes. Just been docked here on this rock for about 20 minutes. Waiting. Just hearing screams out from the water as I came up here. I'm a head up. I can just stand here and get a perfect overview. Don't have a view of the gun though. I probably want a view of the massive, weird alien gun looking thing. Is it a gun or a tower? It probably is just a tower. I don't know. I've got a cold. I don't know why I'm doing this. Actually, I should probably stand up here so I get a view of big alien structure that does resemble a gun, which is kind of scary because in 30 seconds the sunbeam will apparently be landing. Oh, is that meant to be happening? I don't know. That doesn't look good. I got a screenshot there. It's letting out noises. There's a moon. The sky's going dark. Oh. I don't see you. Is that you? Yeah, there's a massive gun pointing towards you, I think. Oh, there you are. Please save me. Save me! Come on, boys. He's coming from the building. What does that mean? Come on. Sunbeam, that looks like a hologram. No! Why? That was my only chance of survival. And you blew it to smithereens. Am I gonna get any loot from that? Jesus, there's a massive cloud in the sky. Burning debris going everywhere. Just shot it down. Oh, just moved a bit. Is that it? Are you gonna get out of gun mode? You're just gonna sit there? Exploded my chance of survival. And then Big Boy Moon's coming along to block that moon. Oh, now you're gonna go back to standstill, are you? Yep. Yeah. Just gonna dock. No longer erect. Let out your weird noises. Can I jump on this? Damn it, you don't let me. Is that your alien moaning? Damn it! You just had to ruin me chances, huh? Okay, boomer.